Hi, I'm Michelle. This is my rallycross car. I compete in the BTRDA Championship for Super Modified. It's based on a Porsche Boxster, but all that's left of the Boxster is the floor pan and the window surround. Everything else is either carbon Kevlar, fiberglass, so all the panels we make ourselves. And then we run EBC brakes and pads, and the pads we're running at the minute are the Bluestuff. So the engine that the car runs is an Audi RS4 engine, twin turbo. It's got about 400 horsepower running off the line, and then it knocks it down to 340 on the track. So I've been kindly invited down by EBC to Castlecombe today to try out the brakes and pads that we're running on the car. The Bluestuff's new to us, as we usually run red, so it's a good chance to get it testing, see how they all work, see if they work for us. So let's get out and do some testing on it and have some fun. So we've now been out testing, and I have to say I love the products. The Bluestuff's definitely working for us. Obviously, time will tell when we get out properly racing against other cars. But at the moment, absolutely loving it.